So I've taken the front pipe off the front of the turbo. Couple reasons. One, I needed just to clean it and just check that turbo's still okay, which everything's happy days. That, by the way, if you haven't watched any other videos, it's a GT2860R, which they call a disco potato. I used to run a 2560, but upgraded not that long ago. But yeah, I've made this custom pipe back when I set up the car, and it works good. It's 3-inch, fits on the filter real nice. However, the flange is totally wrong for what it is. I just got a generic like 3-inch flange, but like this is a proper piece that fits on there and actually works. And like you can see here, that sits on that only like just sits on the edge of actually sealing up. And yeah, the holes are a bit elongated as well, so you can move it around. So I'm wondering if it's not actually sealing, because sort of here it dives off and here it dives off a bit as well. So my thoughts were to weld a piece of pipe, so chop that off and stick that in and actually sort of fatten up this edge all the way around, so it actually comes closer and seals up. Because I just want the flow to be sort of semi-normal from coming in here and into there. Currently it would be hitting this edge, which I suppose it doesn't really matter, but just one of those things I wouldn't mind changing up. So yeah, that's on the cards for today. Try get that to sit nicer and flowing nicer. But yeah. Got the pipe all done. Blasted it with a bit of black because the powder coating came off after welding, but it's all good. So yeah, now it's got a, I can't really see it that well, but it's got a bit of a step here. It's all welded up in the top. So yeah, it shoots the air through a bit nicer. There you go, you can see there. And yeah, it gives me an extra edge around here. So yeah, zapped it up, well, cut it up, zapped it up in there, and then cut this off and then wearing it on the belt sander just to flatten it off. So yeah, hopefully that seals a bit better and flows a bit nicer, I suppose. So yeah, might as well stick it on.